गुड मॉर्निंग मिट्टू भैया, यूर लुकिंग एज फ्रेश एज एवर, क्लीन शेवन। ऐसा लग रहा है रात भर बढ़िया नींद लिए सोए हैं। आर यू रेडी? मेरे को जरूरत है नहीं, मैंने तो कुछ करना ही नहीं आज मैंने। सो वी हैव टू गो टू अजमान फॉर रोशनी's biometric today. Her resident visa has been approved. Today is a biometric and then after the biometric is done, she will get her Emirates ID. EID. मैं अपना जापमाला ले लूँ जरा। Okay, let's go to Mexico. Have you taken the card? So the Emirates ID is going to happen in the next 1 or 2 days for her and all is well then. हाँ मिट्टू भैया, साइकिल छेड़छाड़ हुई है, मैं आज कंप्लेंट करूंगा जरा। आपको पता ना मेरे से तो मैं वही बताया था मैंने आपको सामने वाले से। हाँ कैमरा लगा, कैमरा नितिन भी बोल रहा था we'll purchase the camera soon. I mean our family's visa story for UAE is very interesting here. You know, a lot of people tried to make us a fool in getting the visa here. You know, that is one of the reasons why our move to Dubai got very delayed. But then eventually I called Nitin and I told him, brother, sort this out, and everything happened smoothly and टकाटक। तो ये हम उमल क्वेंस के थ्रू जा रहे हैं ना? हाँ जी, और ये देखिए फुल समुद्र, मजा आ गया। उमल क्वेन हमारे हम बोलिए
पहले जाने के लिए सऊदी अरब, कुवैत, बहरीन, ईरान यही रास्ता था बस।
अच्छा,
आने और जाने का, और दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं था।
अच्छा जी।
अभी तो 3, 4, 5 रोड ऊपर बना दिया ना, वो एमरो से जाद रोड, उससे ऊपर भी एक रोड बना दिया ये लोग। पहले बस पुराना रोड यही है आने जाने का, सबसे पुराना मेन रोड यही है। यही सऊदी अरब जाता था, ठीक है ना। अगर जमीनी रास्ता आप जाते हैं तो यही जमीनी रास्ता इंडिया में जाएगा।
अच्छा जी।
ये पूरा गुल कैसे आता है ऊपर से।
यहाँ पे एक लेन आती है मिट्टू भैया, उधर सिर्फ मसाज वाले हैं, देखेगा अभी। लास्ट टाइम देखा था मैंने जी।
अजमान में दाखिल होने बाद में,
हाँ जी,
इसमें अभी एक लाइन आएगा, वो शारजा का बीच में है।
वो मेरे को पता नहीं। हाँ जी,
फिर आगे अजमान शुरू होता है, फिर आगे शारजा शुरू
जी। मैंने बोर्ड देखा था पिछली बार ही वो। यहाँ पे बहुत वो कैमल स्टेबल्स है वहाँ भी। तो आज बायोमेट्रिक हो जाएगा यार, रोशनी का मजा आ जाएगा। बहुत टू मेनी इयर्स आई हैव वेटेड फॉर to see her Emirates ID. Emirates ID. Too many years. Then it's going to be both the kids. So now we have to enter Ajman from Al Quwain. So we are entering Ajman now and biometric करने जा रहे हैं। कितना दूर है? So I'm going to tell you all the details that I know what we experienced with the UAE visa. I had come in 2020 on an investor visa, and at that time my visa was from Ras Al Khaimah. And before the visa expired prematurely, I had to go back to India because of family problems, I told you guys. At that time, the visa cost was a lot expensive than it is today. It became cheaper now. And I think it's very affordable for anybody and everybody to take a visa and residency in UAE if you are from the US, from the States, from UK or any other non-UAE country. It's not that difficult. The most important thing is you need to have a great PRO. Basically, in simple words, an agent, not an agent, an authorized person who can do the documentation on your behalf. If your PRO is great, your work will happen like this, smooth. If your PRO is not great, man, it's great to have a good PRO. It's not that difficult. If you don't have a PRO also, you can go to the UAE, the proper designated websites and apply. But for somebody who doesn't want to go through that drill, it's better to get one of the PROs to get your visa application done. And if you Google, there are several plethora of companies who do this, right? So we have reached the Federal Authority of Citizenship. 10 minute? मेरे को लगता है 10 मिनट लगेंगे सिर्फ। So we are at the Federal Authority of Citizenship, Customs and Port. कह रहा है आपका बायोमेट्रिक। सो फोटोग्राफी वाज प्रोहिबिटेड इनसाइड, सो आई कुडंट डू इट। पर कोई ना, कंटिन्यू करते हैं वीडियो। एंड सो अंदर फोटोग्राफी वाज नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड, इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट प्लेस, बट बायोमेट्रिक डन इन 2 minutes। क्या करा उन्होंने? और व्हाट डिड दे डू? बोथ द हैंड्स वर केप्ट ऑन द देन लेफ्ट हैंड। ऑफ कोर्स नहीं, द होल हैंड गेट्स मैप्ड। वेरी नाइस। इट्स सिमिलर टू द बायोमेट्रिक ऑन योर फोन। ऑल द लेयर्स ऑफ योर फिंगर, दे आर सुपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हियर। या सो राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अजमान कॉर्निश। दैट्स माय फेवरेट एरिया।
कॉर्निश में जाना है
जी। सो आई वाज सेइंग द PRO इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट। PRO अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? All the documentation is going to be done by him. So when I had come earlier, like I told you, I had a Ras Al Khaimah visa, investor visa, and I left Dubai before its premature expiry. However, while coming back, the mistake I made was I went through somebody I knew. So the person I was going to himself did not know. I wouldn't say he was a bad person or anything. So he himself did not know the details. Whether he was doing it deliberately to make some money in the middle or mess around with my brain, I don't know. But the person was really, really close to me. You know, somebody I used to respect a lot. And that's how people lose respect, you know, when they don't walk the talk with you. As my father Sahib used to say. When the visa was supposed to be done again, renewed, I went to him first and he spoke to some people in Dubai and supposedly a PRO, and I was told that, you know, because of my company expiry, I'll have to spend a bomb somewhere around thousands of dollars to get my company renewed, which was absolutely false. People in the UAE and the government welcomes all nationalities equally and in a smooth way. Here there is a saying called everybody is Emirati, means equality. Emiratis are local UAE individuals. So whether you're from US or UK or India or China or Japan or Philippines, you are an equal in Dubai. Everybody is equal. There is no favorability or preference for any nationality here. And the visa process is easy, like I told you. So I called Nitin and from India, and I said, you know, things are not happening the right way and it's getting delayed. Why don't you help me out? Actually, Nitin was the one who offered and said, you know, I have somebody, let's speak to him. So we spoke to a guy called Ali, damn good guy, two brothers, Ali and Humayun. So Ali basically said that check your documents and get your tourist visa done and come to Dubai. So in December, I took a flight. I got my tourist visa done. And the first thing I was surprised was that when I landed at the airport, I thought I'll not be able to pass the smart gate because my Emirates ID had expired, the old one. Like I told you, the visa expired. So otherwise, generally you show your passport at the smart gate, your Emirates ID, and they pass you through. I was redirected to the smart gate side on the airport and at the airport, and when I went there, I had to put my passport, it's compulsory, and the smart gate just welcomed me like how in 30 seconds saying, Aditya Anand, Ashok Kumar, welcome to Dubai, Habibi. So that was the time where I realized that, you know, the fear of what this other Indian friend of mine who I respect a lot had told me was all bull crap, man. All crazy stories. This much fine on you, that much fine on you, maybe you have been banned, maybe there's a travel ban on you, blah, 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 blue. But I entered Dubai and Nitin came to pick me up at the airport, and the first thing I did was I called that friend of mine. I said, yeah, I'm in Dubai, there's no problem. Which all these things could have been easily figured out online. So then we met Ali. I remember I met him in Dera, in Mankhul. Me and Nitin were having burgers there then at Burger King, and these two boys come in and say, okay, visa will be done. I said, I'm going to get the whole family visa done, me, my wife, kids. And he made a custom package for us, and I went back to India and paid him the money. So for me, my wife, the total cost has been around what, 5.5 lakhs INR. You can calculate it in USD. I mean around 5,000 USD, and the kids are going to be another 80,000 INR, around $1,000. This includes the insurance, this includes everything. I haven't spent a single rupee besides here and there, you know, little insurance money here on Roshni, and a couple of things are compulsory for the kids, like kids insurance. So I was telling you guys that medical for the kids is not needed, biometric would be needed. But in my case, December I had submitted the documents, they asked for my passport, filled out the documents, the PRO, the guy named Ali, figured everything out. I went back to Delhi, paid him the money. The portal link came and I paid it via my card, and then 3 months later I came down to Dubai. People, like I told you, have taken care of everything so beautifully and tactfully. And that is why you need to be proud of the UAE. Yeah? So I came back and my license was already done, company license. My company got opened, and I came and I got my medical done, which took 2 minutes from Ajman. No lines or too many people, no standing in queues. In 2 minutes the medical was done. The next day the report came. I was fit to become a resident. And my biometric was not supposed to be done because the last visa already had my biometric. And in the next 2-3 days, I got my Emirates ID. Same with my wife Roshni. She's on my company visa. You can easily, she's already gotten her medical done. How much time did it take for your medical? 2-3 minutes, na? And today the biometric took not even 5 minutes. And in the next 2-3 days, the Emirates ID is going to come, and then I'm going to apply for the kids, which will also take 2-3 days. Mittu Bhaiya has his visa till next year. So Mittu Bhaiya's visa has to be done next year, and his son's visa. It's super easy if you want. Also, there is the golden visa for 5 years and 10 years options, which they have reduced the minimum investment for now. Google all of this and you'll get the information. There are a lot of government sites where you can get all the information and you can apply and figure things out. Yeah, I think, I'm not sure, but I think the latest rule for the golden visa, they have reduced the minimum limit of investment. And also, this is if you get the visa on your own. If you're applying for a job here, then your employer takes care of your visa, gives you your insurance, medical insurance, gives you proper leaves, you know, a package that you can take back home for a holiday also once a year to your home country, gives your family insurances, pays your rental allowance, lot of perks, and they take care of your visa, yeah. You know, so this is really cool and it's not really difficult. People think that, oh, you know, how do you settle in the UAE? You settle in the UAE in a very simple way. If anybody wants the PRO's number, please DM me on Instagram. You can get in touch with them. You can get your visa done. I don't think the visa costing differs by nationalities. Maybe it does. You can cross check. I'm not sure. I would not want to put our incorrect information out to you guys, but it's all available online and it's all easy to figure out. So life is beautiful here. Yeah? It's not that difficult. Get your UAE visa and your family's UAE visa if you want to relocate. So after you get your Emirates side, you can get your house. You want to buy a house, you can buy a house. You rent a house, you rent a house. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.